Creamy mushroom pasta with crispy Katsu chicken is perfect for a quick and family-friendly meal. There's nothing better than sitting down together after a long day and enjoying a delicious homemade meal. Now, let's get started to cook our creamy mushroom pasta with chicken katsu. Firstly, let's cook our pasta in boiled water with a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of cooking oil so it won't stick together. After it's done cooked, drain and set aside. Now we slice the mushroom. Here I'm using button mushroom. This mushroom goes well with the creamy pasta. Now we also slice and dice the white onion to small cubes. Because of my chicken breast is a little bit big, so I will slice the chicken breast in half to make them easier to fry. After that, we cover them with plastic and smash them softly to make the meat tender. Then we seasoning them with a teaspoon of seasoning powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder and a pinch of pepper. And then mix them together evenly. And let it marinate for 15 minutes. Firstly, we whisk 2 eggs thoroughly. Dredge each piece in 1 cup of flour, then dip in the beaten egg and finally coat with 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Heat the cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Fry the chicken breast until golden and crispy, about 6 to 8 minutes per side. Remember to check, don't let them overcook. Once it's cooked, remove and drain on paper towels. Look how crispy it is. We then cut it to small pieces. Like this. Guys, the smell is truly fragrant. Now let's make creamy mushroom sauce. In a large pan, heat a bit of butter on medium heat. You also can cook with olive oil. Add the chopped onion and garlic and stir it until fragrant. Add the sliced mushroom and cook until they are tender and brown. Here I put a pinch of salt and pepper. After the mushroom is cooked, pour in 200 ml whipping cream and 200 ml unsweetened fresh milk, stirring it to combine. Seasoning with a half or a 1 teaspoon of salt, depend on your taste. Then let the sauce simmer for a few minutes until it thickens slightly. When it thickens like this, it is done. You can turn off the heat now. Then we add the cooked pasta to the mushroom sauce and toss to coat evenly. The smell is very fragrant, make me hungry. And for the last touch, we put oregano leaf to add the fragrance. Serve the creamy mushroom pasta on a plate, topped with the crispy katsu chicken. Garnish with fresh parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's family dinner or a special treat. Even on the busiest day, taking a moment to cook and share a meal can bring a sense of calm and joy. This creamy mushroom pasta with crispy fried chicken is a reminder that even in our hectic life, we can find time to enjoy the simple pleasure of home-cooked meal. Here we are with today's recipe. Creamy mushroom spaghetti with chicken katsu. Wow, looks very appetizing. Let's give it a try. The pasta is very creamy. Let's try the mushroom. With paprika cook. Wow, I love this recipe. Let's try the chicken katsu. It's so crispy. Not sure if you can hear it. But it's nice. Let's taste another bite. It's so delicious. You should try this at home. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out any new recipe. If you have any feedback or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.